Even though he's acting mad, he ain't really mad. Alright. So today for lunch, we're making barbecue chicken tacos with leftover El Pollo Loco chicken. So it has a lot of like chicken legs and chicken breasts. I already pretty much cut up a lot of it.
Look at the blender.
I'm putting all the leftover pieces that I've broken off the bones and scrunched all up. Malcolm doesn't believe it'll be good.
Yeah, I don't.
So the way that I am making this, a little bit of mayo.
Don't give it to me.
You don't like mayo? So we're taking the mayo out. We're going to use barbecue sauce.
Barbecue.
Famous Dave's Sweet and Zesty barbecue sauce. I'm going to let you know that I've never made this before, but it's worth a try.
He's going to make up something he never made out of poop and some nasty stuff.
I don't know if this will... Can you see me on there?
Yeah.
I don't know if this will actually mince or shred or whatever. No. Alright. Malcolm is not gonna work. Dude. I'm gonna have to
cut it.
Yes, I'm gonna have to mix it up myself. So the pieces, I'm gonna take the bigger pieces out and the little smaller pieces. This is how I envisioned it to at least sort of kind of maybe look. It's supposed to be a little bit more
shred up.
A lot more shredded up. So now it's all shredded up. The chicken from El Pollo Loco.
Then he's gonna pour some of that barbecue sauce. Oh, it looks good. He's trying to shred it. And that was being very dumb.
So now we mix up the barbecue sauce and the chicken.
Looks like somebody pooped.
And we're gonna throw it in the microwave for about a minute.
No, 300 minutes later. 300 minutes.
I already bought some Mission flour tortillas. And now...
And it's already burned up.
This is pretty much the finished product.
But he just needs to put some of the bread. That's all.
Now I am putting the Mission flour taco.
Now it looks like regular meat from like a real taco.
You want cheese?
Let me think.
Yeah.
No.
Just try a little cheese. No cheese?
No cheese.
Well, on my part...
I'll take some cheese.
What?
I'll take cheese.
Alright, some mozzarella cheese is what we're going to add to it. So, now we have Chef Malcolm preparing. Alright, so what you doing?
I'm going to put the meat on it.
As you see, Chef Malcolm has put the meat onto the taco. Put a little bit more. Kids, don't try this at home unless you are with an adult. Alright, now put some cheese.
Okay.
So now he is putting, what kind of cheese is it? Mozzarella cheese onto the taco. Not only did he spread it on the taco, he also spread it some on the counter on the way to the taco.
And he's trying to embarrass me.
Alright, right there. We're going to put it in for about maybe 20 seconds. Intermission, we're going to have Malcolm dancing. Alright. So now, here comes the test. It's good? Yeah. So if you want your kid to do the Malcolm dance. Make the barbecue chicken taco. And we out of here. Thank you.